With so many AI voices available in Murf AI, choosing the right one can feel a little overwhelming. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find the best voice for your project in 2026 and what to look for before you generate your final voiceover. Start by signing into your Murf AI account and opening a project. From the editor, access the voice library, where you'll find the available AI voices for your account. To narrow down your options, use the filters. You can browse voices by language, accent, gender, or speaking style. These filters make it much easier to find voices that fit your audience and the type of content you're creating. Next, preview several voices before making a decision. Listen to how each voice sounds with your script, paying attention to clarity, pacing, pronunciation, and overall tone. A voice that works well for a tutorial may not be the best fit for a commercial or storytelling project. After choosing a few favorites, experiment with the available voice settings. Depending on the selected voice, you may be able to adjust speed, pitch, pauses, or pronunciation. Small adjustments can make a noticeable difference in how natural the final audio sounds. Generate a short preview using the same section of text for each voice you're comparing. So this gives you a fair comparison and makes it easier to choose the one that best matches your project before generating the complete voiceover. Once you've found the right voice, you're ready to generate your full narration with confidence. Choosing the best voice only takes a few extra minutes, but it can greatly improve the quality of your finished project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.